Anyone who touches this video in the next 24 hours is going to receive a massive blessing in their life. So make sure you bookmark this video and you're subscribed so you can come back to this video and let us know the amazing results that unfold. First and foremost, there's going to be a synchronistic sign I want you to watch out for in the next 24 hours because this video is going to find you in the next 24 hours before it happens. You're either going to see a feather, a coin, or 999 if this video is for you. We're going to choose at random here. Throw a like on this video to already claim, yes, I'm going to look out for this synchronistic sign. 3, 2, 1, here it goes, 999. Beautiful. Over the next 24 hours, if this video is for you, you're going to see 999. Go ahead and comment below 999 already. Because remember, synchronicity is showing you that when you set your intention and when it actually happens, there's a bridge of events that unfold between the intention setting and the receiving of the intention in the 3D world. So when you start looking for intentions, you get out of your head, you get out of your mind, stop thinking over the how, the when, and the where. When's it going to happen? And instead, your mind's now, I'm going to look for the signs rather than I need the thing. Very, very different. Now, we're also going to see how much money is going to start increasing the probability of coming into your life. I want you to either start thinking in form of 2x, 5x, or 3x. As we start increasing your money consciousness moving forward, let's choose at random what this card is going to be. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. 2x, beautiful. So go ahead and comment below 2x money. What we're doing here is we're starting to increase your money mindset and belief of the possibilities. We need you to start believing that 2xing my money income, 2xing the amount of money I have is safe for me. It's secure. It's totally okay. Money doesn't care about whether I'm a good person or a bad person. The universe doesn't morally care if you're a good person or a bad person. It just merely reflects your energy field. So go ahead and comment a second separate comment below 2x money to start getting into the field of possibility of increasing your money awareness. And finally, here in our third category, there's going to be a message you need to hear today in order to allow yourself to move forward. It's going to either be about stop waiting, surrendering, or doing something brand new, something uncomfortable. Let's see what this is going to be. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works, but to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84-module system. It takes 5 minutes a day and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. Before we choose this card, go ahead and share this video with a few people because you know they need it as well, just to see this video. And stick to the end of the video because what we're going to do is an activation exercise that you're going to want to do right here on this video to really move everything forward. 3, 2, 1, here it goes. Stop waiting. Stop waiting. Take action right now on your desires. One of the hardest things about manifesting is when I set my intention, I'm kind of waiting for it to come. Right? I'm like, what do I do now? It hasn't showed up yet. So we're about to go through the activation exercise. In the comments below, though, in a third separate comment, go ahead and write, I'm going to stop waiting and I'm going to take action. I'm going to stop waiting and I'm going to take action. When I'm waiting for an intention to happen in the 3D physical world, what I'm really saying to the universe is, it's not here yet. It's not here yet. And what does the universe always do? Mirrors back your energy, not what you say, but what you mean. So if I'm like, where is it? I feel it's not here. The universe sends back more evidence of, okay, it's not there. Instead of waiting, 2 things you want to do. Hold a mantra in your mind. Something like, my mind is a center of divine operation, as Thomas Troward was quoted. Or the great Abraham Hicks saying, everything is always working out perfectly for me. Right? Or maybe a Bob Proctor quote, my first mentor, saying something like, money is increasing constantly in my life. Right? Allowing yourself to be in a place where you're watching and listening for a core mantra and signs. You're looking for those things, and then you say, what inspired action can I take today? What is aligned with my intention and goal? What new skill, what new uncomfortable thing do I need to be moving forward? And after a decade of experience and working with over 2,500 clients, this is the #1 blocker that I see constantly. So go ahead and make sure you've commented below, stop waiting, and I'm going to take action. Now that we have our synchronistic sign of 999, now we're thinking in terms of doubling the income, money consciousness. Now we're also thinking in terms of stop waiting, get moving. Things will start moving forward in your life better and better. Remember, manifesting is about changing your consciousness from your current reality to a parallel reality where everything you already desire is activated there. I'm Scott Haug. I'll see you in the next video.